Top 15 Edge Computing Project Ideas. 1. Edge-based smart surveillance system. Develop a surveillance system that utilizes edge computing to process video feeds locally, enabling real-time object detection and alerts while minimizing latency and bandwidth usage. 2. Edge-enabled predictive maintenance system. Create a predictive maintenance solution that uses edge devices to collect and analyze sensor data from industrial machinery, identifying potential faults and scheduling maintenance activities to prevent downtime. 3. Edge-assisted healthcare monitoring system. Build a healthcare monitoring system that employs edge devices to gather and analyze patient data, providing real-time health insights and timely interventions, particularly in remote or resource-constrained environments. 4. Edge-based traffic management system. Design a traffic management system that leverages edge computing to process data from cameras and sensors at intersections, optimizing traffic flow, detecting incidents, and reducing congestion in urban areas. 5. Edge-driven IoT agriculture solution. Develop an IoT platform for agriculture that utilizes edge devices to collect and analyze environmental data such as soil moisture and weather conditions, enabling precision farming and efficient resource utilization. 6. Edge-assisted smart grid optimization. Create a smart grid optimization solution that uses edge computing to analyze energy consumption patterns, predict demand, and optimize distribution, improving grid stability and efficiency. 7. Edge-powered autonomous vehicles. Communication. Build a communication framework for autonomous vehicles that relies on edge computing nodes to facilitate low-latency data exchange, enabling real-time decision-making and coordination among vehicles and infrastructure. 8. Edge-based fleet management system. Develop a fleet management solution that employs edge devices installed in vehicles to collect telemetry data, monitor vehicle health, and optimize routes in real time, enhancing efficiency and safety in logistics operations. 9. Edge-enabled environmental monitoring network. Design an environmental monitoring network using edge devices to gather data on air quality, water quality, and biodiversity, enabling early detection of pollution and conservation efforts in natural habitats. 10. Edge-driven smart grid security. Create a security framework for smart grids that utilizes edge computing to detect and mitigate cybersecurity threats in real time, protecting critical infrastructure and ensuring the integrity of energy distribution systems. 11. Edge-assisted retail analytics platform. Build a retail analytics platform that leverages edge devices installed in stores to collect and analyze customer behavior data, enabling personalized marketing strategies and inventory optimization. 12. Edge-based emergency response system. Develop an emergency response system that uses edge computing to process data from IoT sensors and wearable devices, enabling rapid detection of emergencies and timely dispatch of first responders. 13. Edge-driven industrial automation solution. Design an industrial automation solution that employs edge devices to monitor and control manufacturing processes, optimizing production efficiency and minimizing downtime through predictive maintenance. 14. Edge-assisted smart home automation. Create a smart home automation system that utilizes edge devices to process sensor data locally, enabling responsive control of connected devices, energy savings, and enhanced privacy. 15. Edge-powered augmented reality application. Develop an augmented reality application that leverages edge computing to offload complex processing tasks, enabling immersive experiences with minimal latency and high performance on mobile devices.